Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Wix is great and we want to help you making your websites even better. We have a fantastic WhatsApp widget to create forms, bookings, lead generations. Our solution will help your customers contact you through WhatsApp. You can use our widgets in your Wix website, but also on Instagram, Google My Business. We have a fantastic integration, TikTok, Facebook. Also, we have a fantastic tracking solution to understand if your clients are coming from campaigns, and in that case, to send an event to your Google Ads. Let's see how this works. Your account is unlimited. You can create 1, 2 unlimited solutions, one payment, lifetime deal, unlimited forever. Also, it's very easy to set up. Once you have your widget created, you have a code here. We copy, we go to Wix. Under settings, we go to custom code. Under here, we can insert the widget, and the widget is going to pop up in our website. Works everywhere, mobile, desktop, and remember, WhatsApp is the best channel to communicate with your clients. Thank you, and create your account now.